going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at how to create a sub-circuit using Logisim. So to create a sub-circuit, what you have to do is you click this plus sign and then write a name for it. For example, let's say I'm going to create an XOR gate. I put XOR in it and then press OK. That's it. That's another way. You can go to this one. No, that's another way to do that as well. Yeah, project add circuit, and you can do in that way as well. But the shortcut is you click this plus sign, green plus sign here, and then the sub-circuit is created. So here what we do is, this is used to simplify the circuits. For example, the XOR gate is actually complex. Like the real design of the XOR gate is there's two AND gates, and then there's an OR gate, and then each end there's a NOT gate attached to it, and then the input of this AND gate is 2, and then this one is 2, and this one also 2, and then we attach with the wires here, and this one, and then this one, and then there's an output. Okay, and then there's two inputs. Okay, and then this wire come from here to this one, and wire go from here to this one, and this is XOR gate. And if you want to verify the XOR gate table, the truth table of XOR gate is basically it only turns on when one of them is on. If both of them on, it turns off also. So here if I just put one, it turns on, but if I put both of them on, it turns off. So it has to be just one anywhere. It has to be either this one or this one. And if you want to see the truth table, it should be in the analyze circuit, project analyze circuit, and then you can see the table 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is the truth table of XOR gate. Now this is in the sub circuit, and then you can also design the sub circuit by clicking this on top of this X mark. You see a square shape. You click this one, and then you can put whatever the design you want. Currently this one is like square shape. You can also just get rid of the square shape and put a circle on it, or whatever the shape you want. Like we can put this shape, and then this is the input, put it here, and then output, put it here. Actually this is also input, put it here. The circle one is output, put it over here, and then these things should be inside, then only it comes as a shape. So you can put this on any shape anyway. This doesn't affect anything, so you just put it like this, something like this, and then this one also doesn't matter, but it has to be just inside. In that way the design comes instantly. So now I go to the main menu. Now this is our XOR gate shape, because if you click this one, this is the design. This is what we designed for it, what the design we give for it. Now the magnifying glass shows I'm in the sub-circuit. So to go to main, you have to double click it. Now the magnifying glass is in the main, so we are in the main one. If you want to grab the sub-circuit, what you do is you click this XOR. This is the sub-circuit we created. You click this one and put it over here. Now this is an XOR gate, and if you want to analyze the behavior, you put some input and an output and see if it's behaving exactly like XOR gate. Okay, and we know the truth table of XOR gate. XOR gate turns on only when both of them, when one of them is 1. When both of them 1 turns off, when both of them 0 turns off. So it should be having just 1 1. So if it's 1 1 turns on, if it's both 1 turns off. Okay. Also, you can also check the truth table by going to project analyze circuit, and it's the truth table source right here. Okay, project analyze circuit. Okay, and that's how you create a sub-circuit. This sub-circuit is very helpful to simplify very complex circuits and put it in a simple form. For example, if I look at the XOR gate, originally it's a little bit more complex than design is more complex, but we only the main thing is 2 input and what is the output we get for it. That's why we simplify the circuit using sub-circuit and bring it in the main like this. Okay, that's it for this video. See you guys on my next video.